Have you ever wanted to place multiple leader lines when using the place note tool? I'm going to show you how to do that. First, we're going to go to the place note. I'm going to paste in some text. We're going to place our first terminator, but before you place your text or inline leader, hold the control key down. And as long as you're holding that down, you'll be able to place multiple leader lines, as many as you want. When you're done, let go of control, hit reset, just like normal. Let's say we wanted to edit that dimension of 100. We want to make it the word varies. All we need to do is go to our element selection, double click on the text. You'll see an asterisk in the text editor. All you need to do is replace that with whatever word you want. We're going to type in varies. Data to apply, there it is. It's still a dimension. Even if we modified the shape, the dimension would still go with it, still showing the word vary. Now, let's say we wanted to change that back to whatever the actual dimension value was. We would then go back to element selection, double click on the text, put in an asterisk, data to accept, there it is. See you in the next video.